What is a solar charge controller, charge regulator? A solar charge controller, also sometimes called a charge regulator, plays a critical role in protecting your batteries in a solar power system. Here is a breakdown of how it works. The role of batteries in solar power. Solar panels generate electricity during the day in the form of direct current, DC. This DC electricity needs to be stored for use at night or during times of low sunlight. Batteries are used to store this DC power. The problem with uncontrolled charging. Solar panels produce varying amounts of electricity depending on sunlight availability. If left unregulated, the high voltage and current from the panels during peak sun hours can damage the batteries by overcharging them. Overcharging can shorten battery life, reduce capacity, and even lead to safety hazards. How a solar charge controller protects batteries. A solar charge controller acts like a traffic cop in between the solar panels and the batteries. It monitors the voltage and current coming from the solar panels. Based on the battery's current state of charge, the controller regulates the incoming power. During discharge, when appliances are using battery power, the controller allows full charging current from the panels. As the battery approaches full charge, the controller slows down or stops the charging process to prevent overcharging. In some cases, it might even disconnect the panels entirely to protect the battery. Types of solar charge controllers. There are two main types of solar charge controllers. PWM, pulse width modulation. This is a simpler and more affordable option. It regulates power by rapidly switching the connection between the panels and the battery on and off. MPPT, maximum power point tracking. This is a more advanced and efficient controller. It constantly analyzes the voltage and current from the panels and adjusts to draw the maximum power available under varying sunlight conditions. Choosing the right solar charge controller. The choice of controller depends on your specific solar system setup, battery type, and budget. Here are some factors to consider. System voltage. The controller needs to be compatible with your system voltage, e.g., 12V to 4V 48V. Battery type. Different battery chemistries, lead acid, lithium, etc., have different charging requirements. Amperage rating. The controller's amperage rating should be sufficient to handle the maximum current from your solar panels. Features. Some controllers offer additional features like LCD displays for monitoring system performance, data logging, and USB charging ports. By using a solar charge controller, you ensure the longevity and health of your batteries, maximizing the performance and lifespan of your entire solar power system.